Hey everybody, this is Ashlyn, and I'm going to show you how I write my spells. Of course, on YouTube for my favorite person. This is a shout out. Two people, howlbymoonlight and owlcraze99. Let's give a big whoop-de-doo to them. Let's go show you how to write my spells. Sorry, I don't have the cover on my iPad. So I go to YouTube. First, I go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube. And and there's YouTube. To look. It's right there. Really? Now I am going to go to one of her episodes or something. No, not this one. First, I'm going to go to some random user's thingy. Mermaid spell. I'm going to go to offtheself and the mermaid thing. Let's watch this video.
Hi. My name is Meryl, and my name is Cal, and we wanted to become mermaids. We've been wanting this for a really long time. We've seen things such as H2O and aquamarine, and we just love the idea of being free in the ocean and being a mermaid. So lately we've been looking on the internet for spells, and we came across the Insoucian spell, and that didn't work. So I'm sorry. It's okay. Then we read that you need to make up your own spell, and we heard that was more powerful, and if you did that, it would work. So we did make up our own spell, and it did work. And there are a couple guidelines that go along with the spell, and right now we're in human form. And what you have to do is, what you have to do to become a mermaid is you have to say this spell 10 times.
Okay, so I'm going to skip to the end, and I am going to write the spell. Come on, play, you stupid thing. Sorry.
And headache and vomiting, so don't do that. And that's it. We really love on your journey.
This also a shout out to Off the Self.
And thank you very much. And here's going to be the spell.
I will read it to you. Glass of the sea, shine upon me. Eye of the ocean, grant me with fins. Make me a mermaid, human no more, away from the shore. Now I'm finally free to escape humanity. That will also be in the description. Bye.